Okay, we start in few minutes. Today I will share the screen for this Tony Robbins video. So I I saw that we are not listening to the music properly when we start peak state programming. So today I decided to share the screen instead. Can you all please let me know if you can hear this? Can you all listen to the music?
No, it's not able to hear.
Now?
No.
You cannot even see my screen?
Your screen I'm able to see, but I'm not able to hear that music.
Can you see the screen of Tony Robbins video?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, Sandro, why? I'll play again. Let's see if you can hear it.
There is no sound.
Okay, yeah, I'm working on it.
I thought the
Let's see if you can hear now. Write in the chat box. Can you hear the sound? Could you hear the sound when I played?
No, there's no sound.
Yeah, I muted now, but earlier, could you hear the sound earlier or no?
Little bit, for some seconds.
yes.
Okay, perfect. So let's start with our peak state programming. For the new participants, I will explain it in brief that this peak state programming is designed by Tony Robbins. He's the best, most motivational speaker in the whole world. He is one of the best, and he has so many programs that he runs every day. So this is one of my guru, Rajan sir, taught us that we should be doing this peak state programming before anything important, like a meeting or interview or anything like a test. If you do this peak state programming for a few seconds, it will physiologically, it will change your mind and make it alert to learn something new. So let's start. Okay, what you have to do is you just take a position of running. You are actually not running, but you're 1 foot forward and 1 foot behind. You are taking the position of running. You are making the movement right like you are running so fast. So that is how you are changing your mindset. It's completely working on your mind. Okay, so I'll start the music again. Run, 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 faster, 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 faster. You are the winner. You are the winner. Yes, yes, yes. We all are the winners. We all are the winners in this live game. Okay, let's do the other foot forward. Now we'll start with the left foot. Run faster, 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 faster. Yes, I am the winner. Let's celebrate our life. Let's celebrate. Life is so beautiful. And we all are the winners in this life game. Okay. So I'm seeing your chats now that I don't know what is the problem with voice. Whatever I do, I thought maybe screen sharing would make the sound clear. Okay. Maybe from now on, I already sent the video to all of you. So if you want, you can start video on your phones. So that way also you can do this peak state programming. Okay, so how all are you doing today? I'll start the
Doing good. Great.
Can you see my screen? Okay. Can you see the magic book? Okay, perfect. So Who would like to read today?
I'll wait.
Okay, perfect. You can
Voice audible?
yes, yes, perfectly audible.
Okay. Is your life magical? You can tell right now how much you have actually used gratitude in your life. Just take a look at all the major areas in your life: money, health, happiness, career, home, and relationships. The area of your life that are abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and experiencing the magic as a result. Any area that are not abundant and wonderful are due to lack of gratitude. It's a simple fact. When you are not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You have stopped magic from continuing in your life. When you are not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationships, more joy, more money, and the advancement of your job, career, or business. To receive, you have to give. It's the law. Gratitude is giving thanks, and without it, you cut yourself off from the magic and from receiving everything you want in life.
Okay, so what she's saying here is all of you can go back and look in your life. You will be able to notice where whatever area you are grateful in, those area of your life are already very abundant and wonderful. But the areas where you're lacking something, or like a relationship, or you're not perfect in your health, you're not perfect in your career or in your finances, then there is a lack of gratitude. So we will see how we can apply this gratitude. And always remember,
Bottom,
whatever you give, you always receive. So that it is a energy circle. Whatever you give out in life, that is what you are receiving. Okay, you can go further.
the bottom line of ungratefulness is that when we are not grateful, we are taking. We are taking things from our life for granted.
No,
When we take things for
yeah. Good.
when we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking from ourselves. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. Remember, whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
So now you understand like why gratitude is so powerful and so magical. Because whatever what the law of attraction says, like attracts like. So when you give thanks, you are not receiving, you are giving something, and that is what you are getting in return in abundance. So when you give a little, you with all of your heart and all of your feelings, you will receive so much more in return. That is what it is. Whenever you give even something small, it returns to you in a very large form. So always remember, always give whatever you want to receive in your life. Start giving first. If you want love, start giving love. If you want money, start giving a little money to the people who really need it. That's how you increase your circle. Okay, let's read further.
Most certainly, you have been grateful at
Yeah, that
just a sentence.
uh-huh.
Okay. Most certainly, you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life. The magic formula. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is key to it. These words are said by Ibn Khaldun al-Muqaddimah in the era 1332 to 1406. He was scholar and statesman.
So yeah, we all know so many
Ancient
things,
and
right?
modern.
We know that we should be positive about our life. We know so many things, but are we practicing it? No. So the practice is the key. And that's why I took this book. Why? Because all the formulas applied in this book, all the assignments, you will be able to easily implement in your life, very easily. It won't take much in your day-to-day life to apply all this. So that's why we are doing it. This is the fastest way to live a gratitude life, to practice it on a day-to-day basis. Okay, let's read further.
Ancient myths and legends say that to bring forth magic, a person must first say the magic words. Bringing forth magic from gratitude works in the same way, and first you must say the magic word thank you. I cannot begin to tell you how important the word thank you are for your life. To live in gratitude, to experience magic in your life, thank you must become the true word you deliberately say and feel more than any other words. They need to become your identity. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life of your dreams.
You see the
The
importance of
magic
gratitude.
formula.
See the importance of gratitude. It will be a bridge between your life now to the life of your dreams. So start feeling, start giving thanks. And we will see how we will practice this whole gratitude thing. Okay, the magic formula.
The magic formula. First, deliberately think and say the magic word thank you. Second, the more you deliberately think and say the magic words thank you, more gratitude you feel. Third, the more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you receive. Gratitude is a feeling. So the ultimate aim in practicing gratitude is to deliberately feel it as much as you can, because it's the force of your feeling that accelerates the magic in your life. Newton's law is 1 for 1. What you give, you receive equally. That means that if you increase your feelings of gratitude, the results in your life will expand to the equal to your feelings. The truer the feelings, the more sincerely grateful you are, the faster your life will change. When you discover how little practice it takes, how easy it is to incorporate gratitude into your life, in your daily life, and when you see magical results for yourself, you will never want to return to the life you used to live. If you practice gratitude a little, your life
Will change a
gratitude a
little.
lot every day, your life will change dramatically and in ways that you can hardly imagine.
Yes, so once you live this life of gratitude, if you practice it, right now you are trying to practice gratitude, but when it is flowing in your blood, every second of your life, you are grateful, you are being grateful. Right now you will start practicing, but when you practice a lot for a long time, you will be a gratitude person. It will be in your blood. So once you start living that life, you cannot go back to the life you used to live. That's my guarantee. So okay, let's read further.
A magical book.
You see this nice couch is there. There is a book, and all the magical sparkles are coming out of the book. So it's so magical. This big book is truly magical. Okay. You can read further, Amina.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. This was said by John F. Kennedy in era 1917 to 1963, and he was 31st President of United States. In this book, there are 28 magical practices that have been designed so that you can learn how to use gratitude's magical power to revolutionize your health, money, job, and relationships, and to make your smallest desire and your biggest dream come true. You will also learn how to practice gratitude to dissolve problems and transform any negative situation. You will be captivated while you read this life changing knowledge, but without practicing what you learn, the knowledge will spill through your fingers
Slip
and the
through.
opportunity, yes, slip through your fingers and opportunity that you attracted to easily change your life will be gone. To ensure this doesn't happen to you, you need to practice gratitude over 28 days so that you impregnate yourself and your subconscious mind with it. Only then will it change your life permanently.
So here you all have to make sure that you practice this, whatever book says, you practice all 28 days, over the 28 days. You cannot sleep even one day. If you sleep one day, you have to go back 3 days. So I would rather suggest every one of you just take a stand for your life and start practicing. We will be starting with day one, possibly day after tomorrow. But I want you start writing the blessings, 10 blessings in your life from today. At least we need to start today so that it comes when we read the chapter, we will be more clear about what we need to do. But right now, just today, I want you all to write only 10 blessings in whichever way you want. I just want you to write 10 blessings from your current life. Okay? Okay, let's read further.
The practices are designed to be completed over 28 consecutive days. This allows you to make gratitude a habit and a new way of life. Practicing gratitude is concentrated effort over consecutive days guarantees that you will see the magic take place in your life and fast. Within each magical practice is a wealth of secret teachings that will expand your knowledge in a tremendous way. In each practice, you will understand more and more about how life works and how easy it is to have the life you have dreamed of. The first 12 practice used to use the magical power of gratitude for what you have now and for what you have received in the past. Because unless you are grateful for what you have and what you have received, the magic won't work and you won't receive more. These first 12 practices will set the magic of gratitude into motion immediately.
Yeah, so for first 12 days of our practice, we will be one by one in all the areas. We will be practicing gratitude for whatever we have or whatever we had in our past. So that's how the book is designed so beautifully and so powerfully that it will impregnate your subconscious mind. It will make a habit. Once you start practicing each month, it will impregnate your subconscious mind. So after that, even when you wake up in the morning, the first thing that you will utter the words will be thank you. Thank you to be alive. Thank you, God, to be alive. Thank you, God, for my this perfect, whole and nice, perfect body, healthy body. That's how I start my day nowadays. I always think first when I wake up. Okay, let's move further. The next 10 practices. Amina, you can read further.
Power of gratitude for your desires.
Can you bring your mic closer to you? We cannot hear you. Yes, voice is breaking. Others are saying as well.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, a little bit better than before. Yeah, you can start. The next 10 practices.
You will be able to make your dreams come true, and you will see the circumstances of your life magically change. The last six practice you sorry, the last six practice take you to a whole new level where you will be saturating gratitude into every cell of your body and mind. You will learn how to use gratitude magical power to help other people resolve problems and improve any negative situation or circumstances you may encounter throughout your life. You don't need to clear your calendar because each of the practice has been specifically created to fit into your everyday life, whether it's work day, weekends, holidays, or vacations. Gratitude is portable. You take it with you wherever you go, and then whenever you go, the magic happens. If you miss a day, you will most likely lose the moment of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practice again from there. Some practice and designs for the morning and other are designed to do throughout the day. So read each day's practice first thing in the morning. Some practice will need to be read the night before because they begin with you
When you wake up.
and I will tell you when to do this. So
You can read
begin
further.
when you wake up, and I will tell you when to do this. You might
Want to read the next day's practice. You can start reading, Amina.
You might want to read the next day's practice every night before you go to sleep in order to be prepared. If you do, make sure to reread the practice again in the morning. If you don't wa- if you don't want to follow the 28 magical practice consecutively, you can also use them in other ways. You could choose one magical practice that addresses an important subject in your life that you want to change or improve, and you could do that practice 3 days in row or every day for a week. Or you could do one magic practice a week or two practices a week. The only difference being that it will take you longer to see the change in your life.
Yeah, so I want all of you to continue this same 28-day practice after we complete this book, because this book is amazing, but in only 28 days, you cannot master the gratitude. It's a continuous practice. So I want all of you to keep this in mind, that you have to practice even after these 28 days. And it will be easy. The journey will be more easier and easier when we complete these 28 days. So do keep that in mind. Let's see how. Okay, we can start. You can read this after 28 days. Amina, you can read. Okay, I think I cannot. We cannot hear you actually. Yeah, the voice is too low. Let me read. I will read it. Yeah, I think there is a connection problem. It's okay. I will read it. Can you all hear me very well? Okay, perfect. So after the 28 days, once you have completed the 28 magical practices, you can use particular practices to increase the magic where or when you have a specific need, such as for health or money, or if you want to receive your dream job, have increased success in your work, or improve a relationship, or to continue the practice of gratitude, you can open this book at random, and whichever practice you open to is the one you attracted. So it's the perfect one to do that day. At the end of the 28 magical practices, there are also recommendations of practices you can use in combination, which will accelerate the magic in specific areas of your life. Can you overdo gratitude? Never. Can your life become too magical? Hardly. Use the practices over and over so that gratitude seeps into your subconscious and your consciousness and becomes second nature to you. After 28 days, you will have rewired your brain and implanted gratitude in your subconscious mind, where it is automatically the first thing that comes to your mind in any situation. The magic you experience will be your inspiration, because as you incorporate gratitude into your days, they will be nothing short of spectacular, magical. Okay, so we will read this, What Are Your Dreams, tomorrow, and then we will start from day one, day after tomorrow. Also, I would like to ask you, all of you, this weekend on Sunday, if we all can watch the Secret movie together. So maybe write in the chat box, or in our group we can discuss. If so many people want to watch the movie together, then we can watch it on this coming Sunday. Because Secret movie, however times you watch, it's never like, every time you watch, something new will come up. You can never understand the whole movie. It's so, I mean, it's completely profound. Okay, so now we will read our heart thoughts for today. Okay, let me share my screen. Let me minimize this one. Can you all see my screen? Okay, so this is today's heart thought. Can you all see my screen? Please write in the chat box. Okay, yes, okay, perfect. So we create situations and then we give our power away by blaming another person for our frustrations. No person, place, or thing has any power over us. We are the only thinkers in our minds. This is so powerful. All our life, we give power to all other people in our life. We blame, we criticize, we do things. We always look outside of ourselves for all our situations or problems. But in reality, all the solutions are within. They are not outside. So you start looking, if you are blaming somebody else, start looking within. What is the cause of this? Why this is happening to me? Everything is inside, nothing is outside of you. I express myself in positive ways. This will be your affirmation for today. You have to write this down for seven times. Usually, if you are in an accident and you are the one who is hit, you feel guilt on a deep level and perhaps have a need for punishment. There can be a lot of repressed hostility, feeling that you do not have a right to speak up for yourself. If you hit somebody, you are often dealing with unexpressed anger. This gives you an opportunity to express that anger. There is always more stuff going on inside you. An accident is more than an accident. When an accident occurs, look within to see your own pattern and then bless the other person with love and release the whole experience. So let me tell you, whatever happens in our life, it happens for